what do you think about passing the bridge? Like, was it dangerous for you?
We at the moment we are in the on the way in the pier, in the mountain, and maybe it's higher.
Hey, shut up, dude. So, do you think
only no here, no here.
well, so do you think it was dangerous? Was it fun to go through the bridge?
How's here? You have
Here. So you are here. We are now. Do you think we are lost? Do you know the way out to this place?
These are the here, please.
You're here, right? Do you think the bridge was dangerous? Do you know this place, or are you lost around this place?
I don't know this place.
So, do you have any idea where we are right now?
Right now, why?
Oh, do you know where we are, or are you lost in this big place, the forest, where the airplane crashed and we all were lost in the place?
Yeah, okay, and this moment, and we already hear me, without the hear me, the institution that the person that the forward, and I want that it maybe.
So, now that we've reached this location, what do you think about?
The location is high,
where you can have the view of the whole world here.
Yeah, the natural city is beautiful, guys, and the creation of the 6,000 years ago is incredible. That's it.
What happened 6,000 years ago over here? A bomb fell and everything was there.
This is time God make it. No,
oh,
God
so
make.
You say all these
God
years
make
ago
it
God made all this location. But then it's 2009 years ago.
9
not
years ago.
1,000. Whatever.
No, yeah, I say you that the creation of the heart.
All right.
You take the presentation picture.
All right. So what about you? What can you tell us about this place? You can have the view of the whole world in your hand.
¿Y dónde está el cuervo?
Estirémonos.
No. I know that we are lost in the wild in this place, after the mountain. What do you think now?
What do you think?
What will you do now that you are lost in these mountains?
Only
here in Africa.
Just walking. Just walking.
Just walking. And where do you plan to go by walking?
The walking is the ways for down the mountain.
Yeah, but since
¡Cállense!